Okay guys, I've been working on this mechanical wasp for about a month, off and on, whenever I could. This is a brand new package of one because I have two packages. A brand sent me this one. So this is everything that would be in there, along with some big paper instructions that are around here somewhere. I'm not sure. You got a little screwdriver, all the bigger pieces that are going to go here, all their various nuts and bolts and stuff like that. That's why it's a puzzle. It does give you step-by-step instructions that are really easy to follow. Like, you know what it's trying to tell you to do. But my hands are getting old, and it was frustrating sometimes, but very satisfying once it was done. So let's get a close-up on this thing. I'm going to clean this up, get a good close-up on this. Alright, here it is, all nice and close-up, guys. I'm putting a shadow on it. I don't want to do that. Each one of these pieces is all separate. I can't tell you how satisfying it was to get this thing together. You see the back all moves around just a little. It has a little bit of free movement, and then the wings move, of course. See that? The head can move up and down if I want it to. These move. Everything has a little bit of movement. That's what's so cool about it. Every single one, like this piece right here, this is 3 pieces, this is 4 pieces, 4 pieces. Even these little pieces on here, every single little intricate piece ended up putting together. And it was so satisfying getting this thing together. See all the legs move. See that? Put it back down. Holds itself up right off the end. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with this thing. Like I said, it took me about probably a month off and on, just doing it in my free time. A brand did send me this to make the video on. I had never done one before. So if I can do it, you guys can do it, I promise you. But this is the B. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.